make sure to comment, is it like, comment, and subscribe. I don't know what the other YouTubers say. Just do that. Hi guys, how's everyone doing? I wanted to come by and make a quick video today and just say hi to y'all, specifically about gaining weight in transition, because girl, this is something I'm experiencing at the moment. And when I say weight gain, I mean like I'm gaining weight. I know a lot of people, when they look at me, they're like, girl, like, you're skinny, what are you talking about? Like, shut up. You're like, what are you talking about? Compared to where I've been physically in the past few years, since I started transitioning 4 years ago, girl, I gained some weight. And this is okay. A lot of it I'm okay with, in terms of in my boobs, my butt, like some hips. Like, I'm okay with all of that because it feminizes me. What I'm not super happy with is in the stomach. And unfortunately, as I gain weight, it transfers to all these great places and the stomach. So I wanted to just come on today and talk to y'all what I've noticed in my transition, because prior to taking estrogen and testosterone blockers, I could eat whatever I wanted, period. I mean, as a boy, I could eat truly buffets 5 days a week and I wouldn't gain a pound. Now, if I go to McDonald's once, I feel it, I see it. And so there is a change. There has been a shift in my metabolism and what I can and cannot eat. So I want to be honest with y'all, like, whenever in any situation I say I'm gaining weight, people's first response are, to be kidding. You're skinny, you look good, you have a great body, what are you talking about? I'm gonna be honest, I'm gaining weight. I'm taller, and so I can hide it to a certain degree, although I don't think I'm even hiding it anymore. But because I'm taller, I can hide it to a degree. There has been such a shift from pre-hormones to now. I was literally at buffets multiple times a week. I was going to McDonald's multiple times a day. Like, I wasn't living a healthy life by any means, but I wasn't gaining weight. And so that's kind of the behavior I grew accustomed to, binge eating and eating in large quantities whenever I wanted to. When I started transitioning, it kind of stayed the same. And I think as I'm getting older as well, continuing to transition, I'm just like, my body is like flat out telling me like, you're done, because I can barely eat a burger without seeing it, without feeling it. And it's a huge change for me. And so that's why I kind of wanted to come on today and just speak out to y'all, to people who also might be transitioning or thinking of transitioning, and just do some sort of a little PSA of, this can happen. It happened to me. Again, not like a severe amount of weight gain, but I'm gaining weight. You can see it in my videos. I have uploaded a few of my older videos as well. If you go back to the older videos, I look really thin, like maybe too thin, but you can see it. And so now here I am gaining weight, and it's to the point, y'all, where I like gaining weight. At the beginning of the weight gain, I was like, I love it. Like, it's going to my hips, it's going to my butt, it's going to my boobs, and I loved it. The problem is it also goes to my stomach, and I hate that. I mean, literally, it's to the point where a janitor at my work the other day genuinely asked me if I was pregnant. Genuinely. And I have a pretty good relationship with him, and was like, no, I'm not. Why did you ask that? Is it because I'm like getting fat? And he was like, yeah, I mean, you've definitely gained some weight. And so I have to just like laugh, but it really just shows me that like my appetite has changed. I want to eat more, and my metabolism has gone down. And so both of those things together mean I have to create some sort of a new lifestyle. there is absolutely no shame in being fat. I think if you can be fat and happy and confident, do it, live your life. For me, when I gain weight and I start seeing it in my stomach, I become less confident and I worry about it. And so for me, it's something that I want to work on. It's something that I want to deal with because it affects how I feel about myself. So that's that, y'all. I really just wanted to come on. If you want to look at my older videos that I've uploaded and compare them to some of the more recent ones, you can definitely see a change in my face. And that's something that I also don't really like, is my face seems to be more feminine when it's slimmer. Which is contrasting because my body is more feminine when I'm thicker. And so it's kind of a balancing game. And I think I really have to add working out into the equation because that'll kind of even everything out. Yeah, that's really all I got for you guys. I just wanted to come on and kind of say my thing because this is what I've been going through this week. Definitely have noticed weight gain. Shirts aren't fitting right. Being asked if I'm pregnant. And let's be real, like, I think any trans girl, when they're asked if they're pregnant or if they want to get pregnant or if they plan on it, like, actually kind of like a compliment and like kind of a nice feeling because it's like, oh, like, you think I'm a biological woman. And now that's not like my aim. That's not my goal for people to think I'm like a biological woman, but it's cool. It kind of felt good. And then it just went poof. Because I was like, oh, no, you just think I'm fat. Or no, I'm just getting fat. So thank you guys so much for watching this. I know it was a really random video, but really a PSA for anyone who's starting hormones. I wish someone would have told me this before I started. Watch what you eat because your metabolism is going to change. And it's, of course, not too late for me. I'm going to make changes. But there are some things that are probably irreversible on my body now in terms of stretch marks, cellulite, all of this different stuff that really I wish I didn't have. So something I wanted to put out there, I am making my 4-year transition update video. It's in the works, so that's going to be the next one to come out. And I'm also making a video of prissy grunge tonight, so that'll be poppin'. Other than that, I will see you guys later. Make sure to comment, is it like, comment, and subscribe? I don't know what the other. Do that, and I will see you guys later. All of this different stuff that really I wish I didn't have. So something I wanted to put out there, I am making my 4-year transition update video. It's in the works, so that's going to be the next one to come out. And I'm also making a video of prissy grunge tonight, so that'll be poppin'. Other than that, I will see you guys later. Make sure to comment, is it like, comment, and subscribe? I don't know what the other. Do that, and I will see you guys later.